So today we are going to learn about food security in India. There are three dimensions of food security about which we'll be talking. But before, let's see what should be the learning outcomes of this video. So there are certain learning objectives or outcomes. So by the end of this video, you all will be able to define food security in India, explain the three dimensions: availability, accessibility, affordability, relate concepts to real life situations, understand the importance of governmental measures. So we'll be learning all this. Okay, so what is food security? As we all have seen, if there is no food, we will not be able to survive, right? And as it is a very important need of our life, it is a necessity of life. Everybody should get it, right? There should be enough food for everyone. So it means availability. There should be production of food everywhere, and that will be a condition where everybody will be having that food available in to them. Next is accessibility. If I talk about accessibility, it means if the food is being used, it should reach to you. It should be under your reach. You can access it in your nearby shops, right? And the third thing, if we talk about affordability means when you have um, food affordable, like the food, if suppose you are going to a shop where food is available, but it is suppose I'm talking about wheat. Normally we get it around 20 rupees, 15 to 20 rupees kg. But if that food is more than that, like that crop is priced as 50 rupees kgs or 500 rupees kg, will it be affordable by everyone? No, it will not be. So we need to take care of everyone in the country. We have all the type of people. There are people below poverty line, there are people who are poor, there are people who are middle class, there are people who are rich. We need to take care of every section of society if we are having a government, democratic government, right? So we must need to think of affordability also. So yes, this is how we can define food security. It's not only about the production but also about the access and purchasing power. Next comes the three dimensions of food security about which we were talking: availability, accessibility, and affordability. Availability, that enough food should be produced in a country. If I talk about a condition where we had scarcity of food in 1960s, around that time period, and we were suffering like to have food. So then we had a condition of green revolution, and that green revolution where the food production was increased by many times, and that time when we achieved that food security thing, right? So food was produced in a enough quantity. Now we talk about, and the food grains, basic food grains are like rice or wheat, right? The second thing we have is accessibility. So if I talk about accessibility, as I said, it should be access by all the people in the world. And if we are talking about our country, so every corner of the country, where every village people should get it, right? So food reaches all regions and people. That is the meaning of accessibility. Next comes affordability. Affordability means when people can buy food at reasonable price, which I have already explained you. I hope you understood. Price should be that much which can be affordable by everyone, especially the lower class or the poor people in our country. Next comes the real life examples. Okay, so if I talk about real life example, you can also find out certain examples. If I take the present scenario of the countries like where the war is happening, you know where the wars are happening these days, so you should just find it out, and there you will find the condition of food, where the food security is not given to the people. People are starving. So there are certain old examples given here, like Bengal famine of 1943, where the availability was not to everyone of the food. Then we talk about the drought of Bihar and Odisha. Their accessibility and affordability failed due to the like the conditions. And then we talk about what is the solution for it. So we need the solution, and we where that when there is a democratic country, it's government's responsibility to provide us certain solution to this. So government has started PDS, which is public distribution system, and NFSA. Yes, so we were talking about National Food Security Act 2013. So that is also important to provide you food security. Now there are certain acts and different schemes which government has started is given here. And after that, we reach to a place where we have to understand that India needs to be food secure. Even the world needs to be food secured if we want to develop, right? Because if the people are not getting food, they will not be able to work. So I hope this lesson is useful for all of you. Thank you so much.